Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this Powell K11 low voltage transformer that is used for landscape lights, 12 volt specifically, and everything that comes with it and how to use it. So first and foremost, this comes with about a 4-foot cable to plug into a power source. It comes with a remote that looks like this. I'll give you an example here how it works in a sec. And then also there are instructions how to download an app that allows you to control it from the old telephone. Well, it will look kind of like this. And once you have it connected, which is a pretty simple, quick process, there is an option here that's a pairing, allows you to connect via Bluetooth and the network that you want to connect it to. In this example, there is some 12 volt landscape cable plugged in via the 2 screws that come with it. There's a protective case here for weather, if that's important. And then a 12 volt light fixture. From an example standpoint, none of this comes with this actual fixture. Now this can be hung using the provided hole here, and then it would just be wall mounted like this. From a sizing standpoint, it's about 4 inches vertical, 1.5 inches deep, and 3 inches wide. Very compact, I must say. From an on and off standpoint, with the click of a button, the power goes off. The light in this example turns off. It can be turned back on. And then there are some, most importantly, timing options, and probably the most important feature in the app is you can create a scene which will allow the device to be scheduled to turn on or off at certain times of the day. So it's basically a set it and forget it and you are good to go. Now the output on this is 12 volt, 6 amp. It has to be, when connecting to a network, used on a 2.4 gigahertz network. It can't work on any other type of network. It is very specific to that type of network. There is the remote that comes along with it. This remote is radio frequency, so there is no need to worry about having to physically point this at it. And it has a 100-foot reach, which is pretty cool. Very simple to use. It comes with its own battery, on and off per the 2 buttons that are on there. And there's some timing options from 2, 4, 6, and 8 hour from a manual standpoint, where the app integration from a timer is not in use. It also has a on-off button right on the actual device, and depending on the notifications activated in the app, once the device has been manually used, a app notification has been sent. So communication is informed to the app user that this device has been not necessarily tampered with, but it's been used manually outside of the app usage, which is a nice little extra feature. Now this will more than likely be mounted outside, and there could be a chance where it is exposed to the elements, aka the weather. It does have a waterproof rating, because it does look pretty sealed up, of IP65, whatever that means. But it definitely looks completely sealed up, and so if that was a concern, hopefully that answers any questions as far as the waterproofing. One last very important technical aspect of this device: it is a 72-watt transformer. That's just good to know when math is being calculated as to how many fixtures and the type of fixtures and the amount of watts needed for all the fixtures on that specific line. Hopefully this helps answer any questions you might have about this here transformer, and we'll talk to you soon.